From the rolling Blue Ridge Mountains to the sandy shores of the Atlantic coast, South Carolina state parks protect and share some of the state's most precious natural, cultural, and recreational resources. Grounded in our core values of stewardship and service, our team is passionate about delivering high-quality visitor experiences and creating spaces that invite everyone to come out and play. Now we're making a historic budget request to invest in our future so that state parks can continue to thrive for generations to come. Here's our plan to play it forward.
Reinvest is sustained self-sufficient funding. Our cabins, campgrounds, and retail stores aren't just popular, they help fund park operations. By reinvesting in these revenue-generating spaces, we strengthen our ability to support staffing, maintenance, and guest services, all without increasing the burden to taxpayers.
Renew lands for recreation. We're designing 8 new park properties, each one carefully planned to honor its unique landscape, history, and natural resource. These spaces will offer new opportunities to hike, camp, paddle, and connect with nature, all while protecting the land for future generations.
Renovate to give visitors the best experience. We're focusing on essential infrastructure, better roads, safe trails, upgraded restrooms, the basics that make a good visit great. This budget helps us prioritize what matters most to our guests.
Refurbish to support our staff. Most of our team lives and works on site. To deliver great experiences, they need safe, functional facilities, housing, workshops, and offices. Investing in our staff is investing in the heartbeat of parks.
Restore historic investments. Many of our parks are home to rich South Carolina history, from our CCC structures to our historic homes. These places are living testaments to generations of commitment to sharing South Carolina's unique story. Preserving these places ensures that they continue to educate and inspire for years to come.
We're ready to build a strong future for our parks, our staff, and the millions who visit every year. Let's invest in what matters most, South Carolina.
Play it forward.
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 Play it forward. Play it forward.
Play it forward.
It's time to play it forward.